I'm going to make a real quick hollandaise sauce. Real simple and easy. You don't need to do any of that double boiler type things or anything like that. All you need is a tablespoon of lemon juice. I've got a half a cup of butter. I've got 3 eggs, which I'm just going to use the egg yolks, a quarter of a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a blender, immersion blender, and a cup so that I can blend the hollandaise sauce in it. I've got my eggs separated. I've got 3 yolks here in this container, and I've got my egg whites, which I'm going to put to the side and use for something else later on. To start, I'm going to first add my lemon juice to the egg yolks. I added the Dijon mustard, and then I'm going to blend this with my immersion blender. I reheated the butter to get it hot, and now I'm going to add it to the immersion blender slowly as we're blending. And what happens is that that hot butter cooks those egg yolks and makes it thick. So I've got my hollandaise sauce. Got an English muffin, which I'm going to be toasting because I'm making Eggs Benedict. I've already sliced it, and I'm just going to put it in the toaster oven. I've got 2 eggs, which I'm going to poach, and I'm going to be poaching it in a mixture of water with some vinegar in it. I've got my water boiling away here in this pan. Now I don't want it to be a hard boil because when I put the eggs in, I don't want it to tear it up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a vortex or tornado and go round and round and round so that when I put the egg in, it will go around and it will form a more congealed, round looking poached egg. I've got my English muffins out of the toaster. I put my country ham on the English muffins. And now I'm going to put the poached eggs on. When we take the poached eggs out of the water, we just need to make sure that they're drained fairly well so it's not a lot of water. And we'll put those on my English muffin slices. Okay, I made some hollandaise sauce earlier, so I'm just going to drizzle on some of this hollandaise sauce. And this was a quick blender hollandaise. Make it nice and juicy. See how thick that is? We did it in only a few minutes. Gonna put some salt and some pepper on this, both freshly ground. And there we have it. Eggs Benedict with country ham. Let's see if we've got that runny yolk. Yes, we do.